What's up, guys? This is Jake. Today we're taking a look at what might be my favorite thing in my entire house, the Ninja Foodi. This is the extra large smart grill. So I am a terrible cook. I actually didn't cook much before. I was always afraid to mess up really good meats, and this thing has been an absolute game changer for me. I use it all the time, and I highly recommend this to literally anyone. I told my sister about it, and she got it about 2 weeks ago and has fallen in love with it as well. So let me give you a quick walkthrough of what to expect so you can make a good buying decision and know if this is the right thing for you or not. So first of all, let's look at the options down below. So we have, these are all the things you can do with it: air crisp, roast. The two I use the most by far, air crisp and grill, but air crisp, roast, grill, bake, broil, and dehydrate. Let me show you what the inside looks like here. Forgive me because I haven't cleaned the top of this recently. Well, what you're going to see is there are a few parts that are going to come off, so you'll be able to clean it. The first is this top part up here. It snaps out very easily, and you can take that off and clean it. The next part is this, which is the actual grill itself that you'll use for, obviously, the grill setting. This is the drip pan that you will always have in the bottom. The other things that come with it are this right here, just to clean your grill, and then the air fryer crisp basket. Right, so it's super straightforward. But what I really love about this one specifically is the smart version. So it's stupid proof, which is perfect for me. So here on the right side, you'll see this is attached to it, and all you do is take this off, and this little thermometer here will plug into the side. Just so I don't mess up the video, I won't try to move. Well, okay, I'll show you. Nope, it's just gonna make the video look weird, but I promise, this right here on the side, you're gonna take this and stick it through the long way of your meat, and then you're gonna see down here, you'll have the option to do preset. So you'll click which one you're gonna do on the bottom. I'll do grill. We're gonna switch to preset. You can obviously do it manual if you're not using the thermometer. And then you have the options on the right side. Make sure this is out of the way for the video. On the right side, you have all of the options for your meat. So you've got beef, chicken, pork, fish, and then back to beef. And then for beef and a couple of the other ones, you can decide how rare you actually want it. Right, so let me make sure I had this down enough so you can see it. You just push this here and it will tell you up here on the top if it's going to be medium, medium well, all of that. So that's a quick run through of everything, all the pieces that are involved with it, kind of how it works, and it is so simple. I have actually never messed up a piece of meat with this, and have been amazed at how much it's helped me. And it saved me a ton of money from not having to eat out and a ton of time with cooking. So hopefully this helps you know whether this is the right Ninja Foodi grill for you. So I hope it was helpful, guys.